I came home Friday to see I received a couple of packages from Arcade1Up. They sent me a replacement plexiglass with art since my original one came with some scratches. I got my plexiglass control panel overlay with new control panel art included to replace my damaged one. They also sent me a replacement joystick. Before I modded the cabinet, the ball top on the right joystick would not screw on. It turned out the threading on that joystick was bad. I started by taking apart my control panel. The HAP joysticks were just a tad too large to fit the plexiglass over them. I had to disassemble the joysticks, so I had to remove the controller deck. I added 2 buttons to the front of my cabinet for credits and for exiting games. So anytime I need to remove the control panel, I also have to remove the micro switches from the buttons inside. It's a pain, but thankfully I shouldn't have to remove it again. I installed the new art, then the plexiglass and set it aside. Next was to remove the plexiglass monitor cover. There are 4 screws holding it on. You will need to remove the controller panel to reach the bottom 2 screws. I unscrewed them, removed the old scratched piece, and replaced it with a shiny new one. Put the screws back in, and then put the controller panel back on. I lined up the plexiglass and screwed it all together. I then reinstalled the micro switches for the front buttons and was ready to play. Arcade1Up might have had issues with these initial arcades, but I have to say they were pretty quick to replace the parts. I didn't even ask for these parts directly, other than the controller plexiglass cover. I just mentioned the joystick and the monitor and they sent the replacement parts anyway. I'm excited to see what new arcades they release. I'm hoping for a Mortal Kombat themed cabinet. We'll have to see though, I think that'll probably be next year at the soonest. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update. Don't hesitate to ask Arcade1Up to replace your parts. They're very easy to deal with. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.